What's up, my dudes, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have about 5 Hot Wheels to go through. Nothing too major. A couple of vehicles I've been wanting for a long time. I just finally scratched off the list. And honestly, one that I'm not really too sure about, and maybe you guys can help me with. Let's start with the loose ones. I got this one from a seller on eBay. Now, this is a Countach, obviously, from a 5-pack called Flag Flyers, I believe. I'll have to double check, but I'm pretty sure that's what it's from. I've been wanting this one for quite a while. As you know, I'm a Lamborghini collector, and especially the Countach. I've got almost all of them now. I'm missing two very expensive ones, the RLC, well, I guess three, because there's two RLC, there's a black and a red, and then the Super Treasure Hunt from a couple years ago. But for now, let's take a look at this one. And it was advertised as mint, and it does look mint to me. Let's get some more light over here. Yeah, it definitely looks mint. Has a nice clear window, or all clear windows, and nice tan interior. Tampo looks to be in really good shape. Yeah, I would call that mint for sure. Beautiful red paint. We got the BBS mesh wheels. There's the black plastic base. And yeah, I'm glad I didn't have to get the whole 5-pack just for this one car, because I don't remember off the top of my head, but I don't think there was anything else on there that I really wanted. So yeah, one more Countach for the collection, and one step closer to having a complete collection. All right, let's do the next loose one. And this is the one I was talking about. Yeah, it's packed it up pretty well, so this could take me a second. But this one I was very intrigued with. I found it when I was looking for Hot Wheels on eBay, of course. And I'd never seen it before. It looks really similar to the 1984 blown Camaro, but just a little bit different. I'll show you. I'm going to go cut this apart off screen. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back, and here it is. It is I think it's a Z28 Camaro. It looks a lot, well, it doesn't say on the bottom, but it looks a lot like a blown Camaro, just minus the, the blown engine. And yeah, look at those tampos. It really reminds me of these tampos. This time, of course, being white, and it has orange Ultra Hot wheels. With that in itself, I've never seen before. Orange Ultra Hots, other than like the Revealer set, never really seen it. It's got a metal base, and it's really light, so kind of feels like a plastic body, but we can forgive it just because it's a vintage Camaro. Yeah, Camaro Z28. Back looks pretty rough, but I don't think it was from age. I just think, well, I mean, it is from age, but I don't think it's from like a rough play. I think it just, because it's plastic. Yeah, but yeah, it's got blue interior, side view mirrors, blue windows, metal base, and I'm just so intrigued by it. Do you guys know anything about this interesting Camaro? If you do, let me know in the comments down below, but I'm really happy to have it. Very cool. I thought it was metal on metal, but hey, it's all good. We'll live. Next up and last up, we got this 3-pack. Now you might be saying, J-Dog, I'm pretty sure you opened this 3-pack before. I opened a similar one, but I found this one with the blue Hurricane in it, so I had to get it. Yeah, this Camaro is a double, and this is just trash. I'll just throw it away, or maybe just give it to a little kid or something, but actually, one of my nephews. Let's go open that up. Yeah, but I saw this on the shelf. We don't usually get 3-packs where I live, so I was definitely intrigued. I went through and I saw this one was slightly different than the one I already had. And I was like, yeah, I need this Hurricane, so I picked it up. It was only like $3 or so no biggie. Beautiful headlights, a Lambo emblem. Really nice, like Maui blue type color. Black PR5s. So the Hurricane there on the back, very nice. Yeah, this is an awesome car. I just couldn't leave it there on the pegs. There's black interior, rolled up windows. Yeah, this is awesome. Let's pan up here real quick. So there's the Camaro right there that I got the last time I got the 3-pack, but I'd never had this Hurricane. See where my Hurricanes, they are up there. See, there's the Super Trofeos, and there's like the regular ones, and yeah, no blue one. So I will be adding that today. All right. Yeah, so really, really nice. I really like that Hurricane quite a bit. Yeah, quite an awesome haul. I mean, that Camaro, Lambo, and Hurricane, all really minty. I guess just because I got it here, we can look at this thing. What is this stupid thing? I mean, that's I don't know what it's for, but I like the big Hot Wheels logo. It's neat, I guess. Clip rod, metal base, plastic body. Kind of cool wheels, I guess. And then this one, of course, which I just showed you, I've already got it. It's a really nice one. I love this Camaro. It's very cool. Definitely don't mind having a double here and there of nice cars. Let's get that one out of there. And yeah, so what do you guys think? Was it the 3-pack worth the $3 just really to get the Hurricane and the Camaro? I mean, I think so. And if you guys have any information on this one, yeah, please let me know. I'm really curious to know where that came from. It's pretty neat. I didn't see any other ones on eBay for sale at the time. I didn't really know what to search for, though, but I looked for it, couldn't find it. I just like having this one on the screen. It's beautiful. One of my favorite cars in my collection. Perfectly mint, and it has suspension. Awesome. Well, anyway, that was the video, guys. Thank you very much for kicking it with me on this Thursday afternoon. Hope you guys are having a great week. If you're new to my channel, my name is J-Dog, and I post diecast videos all the time. And if you're into collecting like I am, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, and I'll catch you dudes next time.